Hello everyone. In this guide, I will show you how to enable the voice isolation feature for calls, making it easier for others to hear you clearly during your phone call. So when on a call, your iPhone's microphone usually picks up background sound. The voice isolation features uses a machine learning to filter out ambient noise and focus on your voice for clear audio. To enable this feature, start a phone call. Now open the phone app and start a regular call with someone. You get these three options: automatic, standard, and voice isolation. Tap on voice isolation. After choosing voice isolation option from audio settings, this will active the feature. Now switch back to standard mode. If you want to turn off voice isolation, switch back to standard mode again. By turning on voice isolation, now your ambient sound will be on and your voice isolation will be enabled. Now once enabled, voice isolation will be available for various calls including WhatsApp, FaceTime and everything. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.